Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with Airbnb step by step clearly. To increase sales with Airbnb, begin by optimizing your listing. Choose a captivating title that highlights unique features of your property. Craft an engaging description that draws potential guests in. Focus on high-quality photos that showcase your space from multiple angles. Include images of amenities, local attractions, and nearby activities. Set competitive pricing by researching similar listings in your area. Adjust pricing dynamically based on seasonality and local events. Offer discounts for extended stays to attract longer bookings. Highlight any special offers or unique selling points in your listing. Ensure your calendar is always up to date to avoid double bookings. Respond promptly to inquiries to improve your response rate. Maintain an excellent communication style to build trust with potential guests. Gather and display positive reviews to enhance your credibility. Enhance your listing with a professional makeover by improving decor and cleanliness. Consider adding personalized touches to create a memorable guest experience. Utilize social media platforms to promote your listing to a broader audience. Network with local businesses to create partnerships that can enhance guest experiences. Consider offering additional services such as guided tours or transportation. Stay informed about Airbnb trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. Regularly seek feedback from guests to identify areas for improvement. Host events or workshops to attract more attention to your property. Finally, analyze your performance through Airbnb metrics and adapt to enhance your sales strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.